So, room tour. Chive's room. Dito sa our bed and breakfast. So, meron silang malaking cabinet. Okay. Plenty of space. Yan. Tapos, meron silang pahiram na payong. And also, may malaking hanger. And also, itong hangers na to for your clothes. Upon entering, meron ditong full body mirror. Okay. And sa other side nun is the bed. So, dito sa loob, pagpasok mo, mapapansin mo una, katulad sa Lazy Dog, ang bango. So, low maintained and really clean. So, linens are white. Ayan, bagong-bago. Palit. And also, they have this note. Then, other side of the room, dito yung bathroom. So, may stairs lang. And then, towels. Toilet, may tissue paper. Yan. So, fairly small lang. Decent sized bathroom. Okay. Yan. So, ikot tayo. So, from the bathroom, you can see the whole room. So, dito meron pang dresser. Yan. And, yan. Malawaking room. Plenty of space rin para sa gamit niya. Then, the dresser, they have this mirror, dresser. And also, you have electric kettle. Tapos, pwede ka mag-refill ng water. Then, meron silang free instant coffee. Nandiyan din yung glasses. And then, meron silang welcome drinks na iced tea and also free water na rin. Then here, of course, you can place your things lang din sa drawer. And then, if mag-ayos ka, there. You can use that. Tapos, trash can. So, very rustic feel din. Cabin vibes-ish. Meron dito and then meron lang side table. Ayan, bedside table. And also, they have a TV. Tapos, here naman, you can see the view. Ayan. So, dito walang balcony or anything, but yung pinaka gusto ko dito maganda yung lighting nila. So, second time na namin magstay dito. Pero bumalik kami kasi nagandaan kami the first time. Ayan. Tapos dito yung Rubia restaurant where you can also dine in if you are checked in. Actually, pwede rin walk-in. Ayan. Then, meron silang ceiling fan. Also, ngayon ko lang napansin, meron pala silang aircon.